Covering.
Looks like he's going to make it.
Stephen Cheetah, ABC 7 News.
He's chomping on wood. That's a good sign. And while the veterinarian at the Wildlife Center is appreciative, she says in most situations it is best to call an animal control officer to rescue an injured animal, but obviously he went above and beyond.
Moments of terror on the Gulf for a mother and her child on a swan raft. It started when the two went into the calm waters and this giant raft, they were on it. Within minutes, they were drifting, ending up miles from the shore. Onlookers saw what was happening and called 911. It took some time, but a fireboat got to her and her son.
Can't you imagine what that call sounds like? There's a wild swan that has taken two people out to sea.
It's just swarming out.
How big is it?
Yeah, no kidding.
And they're not coming back. It's blowing out.
And moving very slowly, but moving nonetheless. Hey, I will tell you, shifting gears here, tonight is one of those nights that I just feel thankful that I don't have to get out on the roads. You saw all the reports we're doing.
It's a mess.
And I've been watching this. In fact, take a look at this. This is what it looks like over the 14th Street Bridge right now. I mean, I know it's Friday night. I know it's commute time, but the map is red over the entire region. You've got to pack patience tonight. It's like, oh.
You got no choice.
Isn't it nice that we have to work tonight? Not be outside.
Not so bad.
Yeah, not so bad. Exactly right. Temperature-wise, we're sitting into the low 50s in some of our warmer areas. It's 43 in Gaithersburg. Martinsburg, you guys are at 41. We've seen a couple of upper 30s out there tonight, so pack your patience if you're going out, but also pack your cold weather gear. You want your hat, your gloves, probably your rain gear too. Things are damp, but the rain's coming to an end. Still 53 in Annapolis. All these temperatures are going to drop as we go into the evening tonight. But notice, over the last 3 hours, we've seen things wind down. Picked up another ½ an inch of rain today. Little sidebar. This is officially in D.C. 4th Friday in a row that we've had rain, with a total of 2.01 inches of rain just over the last 4 Fridays. So not only has it rained every Friday, it's rained pretty considerably on those as well. But behind this, just a couple of lingering showers, so some spotty showers for the remainder of your evening. But the widespread rain is gone. That's any kind of threat of storms well off to our east. You don't have to worry about that. We're watching some colder conditions now. Look at all the blue on the map back here through Wisconsin, Michigan, all the way as far south as Missouri and Illinois. That is snow. And so there's some very cold temperatures back there. We're not going to deal with any snow here, but we are going to be dealing with very cold conditions, relatively speaking. So here we go tonight. These are the feels-like temperatures. Not too windy tonight, but tomorrow the winds are going to kick up. A spotty shower for the remainder of the evening, but like I said, widespread rains are gone. Out tonight, say the end of the Friday night football games, you're leaving the restaurant, you're coming home. Temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s in terms of the feels-like conditions. We dry out tonight. Beautiful day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, clear air. The quality is great. Beautiful stuff. Still some of the leaves that are remaining on the trees, nice and colored. But here's what we're looking at wind chill wise. 20s and 30s to get you going in the morning. And notice how these don't really go up during the day. By 10 o'clock, we're still hanging at or very near to the freezing mark. By lunchtime, say 36 in D.C., even into the peak heating of the day, I don't think we get out of the 30s when we're talking about that wind chill, that feels like temperature. And then we get into your Saturday night, look at the numbers, into the 20s and 30s. Sunday morning is going to be biting cold. There's a freeze warning out for Remain District and off to parts of southern Maryland, and that'll be again for Sunday morning. If you're running in that Veterans Day 10K, that is icy cold, literally, down to 32 degrees. 47 is the high temperature on Sunday, and another cold front coming in on Tuesday, really keeping our temperatures down. But like I said, a chilly night tonight. Scott, the rain coming to an end, but I imagine that field is going to be nice and wet for those players out there.
Yeah, nice and saturated right now. And Bill, it's raining cats and dogs, and we have a battle between cats and dogs tonight. Northwest and Churchill in a playoff showdown. We'll break it down for you next in sports.
You know when you're at Ross and you find a deal on cookware that makes you say, yes. Oh yeah, bring on the holidays. That's yes for less. Everything you need to prep, cook, and serve up the season. It feels even better when you find it for less. At Ross, yes for less. The holidays are just around the corner. And that means Hyundai holidays are here. With savings so big, finding the right gift is easy. How to wrap it? That's another story. Hyundai holidays. The longer you look, the more there is to like.
Lease a Hyundai.